Did you know your kidneys work hard to keep your blood clean and remove waste and excess fluids? What you drink can impact them. Some drinks can help detox your kidneys, making them work better, while others might strain them, leading to kidney issues. In this video, we'll share 7 tasty drinks that studies suggest can naturally detox and cleanse your kidneys. These beverages not only taste good, but also bring benefits to your kidney health and overall well-being. Discover how adding these drinks to your daily routine can make a positive difference for your kidneys. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Water is crucial for your kidneys. It might sound obvious, but water stands out as the best drink to support your kidney health. Water plays a vital role as the main component of your blood, transporting oxygen, nutrients, and removing waste products to your kidneys. When you fall short on water intake, your blood thickens, becoming more concentrated, making it challenging for your kidneys to efficiently filter. This can result in issues like kidney stones, urinary tract infections, kidney damage, and even kidney failure. Apart from that, water plays a significant role in regulating your blood pressure and body temperature, both crucial for optimal kidney function. So the big question is, how much water should you aim for to keep your kidneys in good shape? Well, the answer varies based on factors such as your age, activity level, climate, and health conditions. As a general guideline, strive to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Taking this simple step can go a long way in supporting your kidney health. Green tea, number 2, is a type of tea crafted from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant. Before brewing, these leaves undergo a gentle steaming and drying process, setting it apart from black or oolong tea. Notably, green tea doesn't go through oxidation, preserving its natural color and flavor. Now let's talk about how green tea can be beneficial for your kidneys. Your kidneys, like any other organ, can face potential harm from free radicals and inflammation. Free radicals are these unstable molecules that can wreak havoc on your cells, potentially leading to chronic diseases. The damage caused by these free radicals can contribute to chronic kidney disease, a condition where your kidneys lose function over time. Enter green tea, here to lend a helping hand to your kidney health. It contains a potent antioxidant known as epigallocatechin 3-gallet, EGCG. Numerous studies suggest that EGCG in green tea plays a crucial role in preventing and possibly treating chronic kidney disease. The magic lies in green tea's ability to neutralize those troublesome free radicals and reduce inflammation in your kidneys. But wait, there's more. Green tea isn't just stopping at antioxidants, it also acts as an astringent and diuretic. What does that mean? Well, it can increase urine production, aiding in flushing out toxins from your body. And that's not the end of its impressive resume. Green tea might even lower your risk of developing kidney stones by thwarting the formation of calcium oxalate crystals in your urine. So, sip away on that green tea for a kidney-friendly boost. Creating a fantastic cup of green tea involves enjoying it without any added sweetness like sugar or honey. Instead, consider enhancing the flavor with a cinnamon stick or a dash of lemon juice. It's worth noting that for adults, the recommended daily intake of green tea is around 3 to 5 cups, providing approximately 250 to 500 milliliters of caffeine. Now let's talk about black coffee. If you're a coffee enthusiast, here's some good news. It's not only delicious, but also beneficial for your kidneys. Various studies indicate that regular consumption of black coffee may lower the risk of kidney stones and acute kidney injury. In a study published in the American Journal of Kidney Diseases, researchers analyzed genetic data from hundreds of thousands of people. They discovered that increasing coffee intake from 1 cup a day to 1.5 cups per day could reduce the risk of kidney stones by an impressive 40%. Another study conducted by Johns Hopkins Medicine researchers suggested that having at least 1 cup of coffee a day might decrease the risk of acute kidney injury by 15% compared to those who don't drink coffee. The researchers theorized that coffee and caffeine could enhance blood flow and oxygen utilization within the kidneys. This improvement may act as a protective measure, keeping the kidneys functioning at a higher level for an extended period, guarding against injury and disease. So, not only does black coffee taste great, but it could also contribute to the well-being of your kidneys. Let's talk about coffee and how it can be a part of a kidney-friendly diet. Coffee is known for its antioxidants and caffeine, which have anti-inflammatory and diuretic effects. However, not all coffee drinks are equally healthy. If you have kidney disease, it's essential to be mindful of what you add to your coffee. Opting for black coffee is a smart choice, avoiding additions like high potassium or high phosphorus milk or sugary high-calorie drinks. Enjoying black coffee in moderation is key, as everyone's body reacts differently. Some individuals may metabolize caffeine slowly due to a specific gene variant, potentially increasing the risk of kidney issues with excessive coffee consumption. It's always wise to consult your doctor before making significant changes to your coffee intake. Now let's move on to low-sugar smoothies. While smoothies can be a tasty way to incorporate fruits and vegetables into your diet, it's crucial to be cautious. Some smoothies can be high in sugar, potassium, phosphorus, and calories, potentially posing risks to your kidneys. For a kidney-friendly smoothie, start with a base of unsweetened Greek yogurt and low-fat milk. Add fresh or frozen berries like blueberries or strawberries for both flavor and color. Sprinkle in some hemp or flax seeds for additional plant-based protein. These berries are not only delicious but also beneficial for your kidneys, packed with antioxidants that combat free radicals in your body. Furthermore, strawberries and blueberries are low in oxalate and high in citrate, a substance that can help prevent kidney stones by binding with calcium in your urine and inhibiting crystal formation with oxalate. If you found this information helpful so far, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to stay updated on more content like this. Now let's explore the next tip for a kidney-friendly diet. Number 5. Unsweetened cranberry juice. Cranberries are these berries that grow in North America and Europe. People know them because they can help prevent urinary tract infections, which can be bad for your kidneys if you don't take care of them. Cranberries have something called proanthocyanidins, pronounced proanthocyanidins, and these stop bacteria from sticking to the walls of your urinary tract. A study in 2019 found that drinking cranberry juice could lower the chance of urinary tract infections by 32% in people with chronic kidney disease. This is good because it can help avoid kidney damage from infection. Unsweetened cranberry juice can also help with oxidative stress and inflammation, which are linked to kidney problems getting worse. So you see, cranberry juice has lots of good things for your kidneys, according to studies. But before you start drinking it every day, it's important to talk to your doctor or dietitian first. Cranberry juice might not be good for everyone, especially if you have high blood potassium levels, diabetes, or allergies. And it's best not to drink more than half a cup a day. Let's talk about the fantastic benefits of lemon water. It's not just about a number on the list, but about how lemon water can do wonders for your health. Imagine a simple mix of water and the zesty juice from a fresh lemon. That's all it takes. You have the flexibility to enjoy it hot or cold, depending on your preference. Some folks like to add a touch of honey, sugar, or even a pinch of salt to balance out the lemon's tanginess. Now, let's dive into how lemon water can be a real boost for your kidneys. Lemons contain citric acid, a natural component that plays a crucial role in preventing kidney stones. It does this by increasing the pH and urine volume, effectively diluting the concentration of waste products in your urine. In simple terms, lemon water becomes your kidney's ally, helping cleanse your blood and eliminate toxins from your body. But that's not all. Lemon water also keeps you hydrated and delivers a good dose of vitamin C. This vitamin is a powerful antioxidant, shielding your cells from damage caused by those pesky free radicals. Making lemon water is a breeze. Just squeeze half a lemon into a glass of water. You can enjoy it first thing in the morning or sip on it throughout the day. However, a quick heads up. The acidity of lemon juice can impact your tooth enamel, making them sensitive and prone to cavities. To avoid this, consider drinking lemon water through a straw, rinsing your mouth with plain water afterward, or brushing your teeth with fluoride toothpaste. So, embrace the goodness of lemon water and give your kidneys and overall health a refreshing boost. Cheers to a healthier you. So there you have it. 6 excellent options for supporting kidney health. These beverages not only taste good but also offer significant benefits for your kidneys and overall well-being. Of course, it's essential to practice moderation. Before making any changes to your diet or fluid intake, always consult with your doctor. Remember, what you drink can truly make a difference for your kidneys. Now, we're curious, do you regularly enjoy any of these drinks? Are there other healthy beverages you'd like to share? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.